Hello everyone, my name is Shrivatsa Arvaidya. I am from Hubli, Karnataka. First of all, I would like to thank Evision for giving me an opportunity to introduce myself and my journey with Evision. I have completed my Bachelor of Engineering from KLE Institute of Technology in Electrical and Electronics stream. After completion, I was looking for a skill courses and heard about Evision. Evision is a IT recruitment and consultancy company. After consulting them, I got clear idea about their job internship and success of the previously enrolled students. So I decided to join the course. In this course, I have learnt many topics such as Network Plus, Windows administration, Linux administration, cyber security, and CCNA, switching and routing. In the first 2 weeks of my internship, I learned the basics of Network Plus, such as what is network, type of networks, devices in the computer network, type of cables, protocols, virtualization, etc. Next, I learned about the Windows administration. Windows administration class was started from the basics, that is, how to install the Windows in the system. Then I learned about the work group, work domain, and users and group policies, domain, how to create domain, how to join the clients in the domain, ADDS, domain controller, DHCP and WDS, etc. I also learnt about the Outlook configuration, both automatically and manually, protocols used in Outlook such as IMAP, POP, SNTP, and also about PST and OST. And then I learnt about the various tools that are used in Windows, such as Event Viewer, Task Scheduler, BitLock Drive Encryption, Defender Firewall, RDP, Device Manager, and fragmentation and defragmentation. I also learnt about the hardware troubleshooting, Outlook troubleshooting, BSOD troubleshooting, and also black screen troubleshooting. In CCNA, we have learnt many theoretical and practical concepts. It was started from basics such as network, what is network, IP address, type of IP addressing used in network, calculations to find which class does the given IP belongs to, etc. And I also learnt about how to configure static routing and dynamic routing such as RIP, EIGRP, OSPF, and also about DHCP and HSRP, etc. I learned about how to remotely access the routing, subnet topics, and WAN technologies, NAT type, switching concepts, VLAN, inter-VLAN, and wireless concepts, and also about IPv6 addressing. During this course, the theory was clearly explained and real-time practicals were done. In every weekend, there were mock interviews, and I have attended 5 to 6 mock interviews. Mock interview really helped me in boosting my confidence and analyzing the mistake that I was doing in the interview. Now I am confident that I can show my skills in the real-time interview. I can prove my skills that I have learned from the Windows administration and CCNA switching and routing, not only in the interview, but if chance given, then also in the company. I can assure the company that I will put my 100% effort in the growth of the company. Thank you.